We're taking you on an adrenaline-pumping ride with two powerful two-stroke machines, a Yamaha DT and a Suzuki RM. Stay with us till the very end, because this is going to be one wild dirt bike experience filled with thrills, excitement, curiosity, and pure adrenaline rush. Joining me on this incredible ride is my good friend Suresh Vikramasinghe. This is a 1984 DT with hub brakes. It's 41 years old. As you can probably see, the rear tire is pretty worn out, which makes it a bit sluggish when climbing hills, but he's not backing down. And that's exactly what makes this so exciting. Yeah, we're heading up toward the mountains right now. What we've got ahead of us are some steep slopes and challenging hill climbs. It's going to be a bit tricky because of all the rocks, and with the recent rains, everything's pretty slippery out here. But honestly, that's not really a big challenge for me. Let's see how we get up there and watch Suresh in action. Yeah, we're conquering these challenges and pushing forward with our ride. Up ahead, we're entering the Thungela Forest Reserve, going through steep slopes and rocky terrain into the wet zone lowlands. Stay with us as we continue this incredible journey. Next up, we're getting ready to conquer some muddy trails. We're heading down from these slopes into Naminathena village, where we'll be tackling those challenging muddy roads. Stay tuned and watch us power through. Stick with us. Suresh is absolutely flying on his dirt bike right now. He's someone who's really passionate about motocross racing and has some serious skills. In our last adventure ride, I was joined by Kalhara Praneeth, another incredible rider and a real champion on the track. Unfortunately, he couldn't make it with us today. Hey, the DT is overheating and starting to boil over. Boo-hoo! You guys probably remember all the punishment we put this dirt bike through earlier, but here we go again. We're back on the move. Roads have gotten really muddy because of the heavy rains we've been having. Let's keep moving forward. Yeah, I just gave Suresh a little challenge. Now I'm waiting here for him to catch up. Yeah, we're conquering these muddy roads and pushing forward with our ride. We're heading off the main path now, getting closer to the Enduro entry point. Let's keep this excitement going. Oh yeah, we're going to conquer these challenging trails ahead. Let's see what rare and amazing sights we're going to encounter on our journey. These forest roads were actually built by the owners of those excavator machines you saw earlier. They use them for cutting down trees and hauling them out. Now that they're not being used anymore, the forest has started to reclaim these paths. They've become quite rough. It's clear that this deforestation activity has been going on for quite a long time. Curiosity-filled Enduro madness. What an absolutely fun ride this is. I'm sure you guys are enjoying this adventure as much as we are. I've got a small favor to ask from you all. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and stay with us for more adventures like this. Alright then, let's keep pushing forward and see what challenges are waiting for us ahead. Now we're taking a side trail trying to get into Rasa village. Yeah, keep watching. There are nothing but challenges ahead of us. They're tough to conquer, but this is pure Enduro challenge madness that we're going to tackle together as a team. Oh no, I got pulled down and crashed. The rocks are super slippery because of all the rain we've had, and these motocross tires just couldn't grip. But I'm totally fine. No damage here.
Oh no.
I'm back up and ready to ride again. While passing through a tea plantation, we're conquering the challenge of getting over a fallen tree that's blocking our path, and we're pushing forward. There are challenges everywhere. Keep watching to see what happens next. When we conquer these challenges and push forward, it feels absolutely amazing. Stay tuned to watch how we tackle the upcoming challenges together as a team. It's slippery because of the tree roots, and the terrain here makes it really difficult to get the bike up this slope. But we're conquering these challenges together as a team, and that's exactly what makes this so exciting. Yeah, getting the DT up this section was really tough too, but we conquered that challenge together as well. When you're dirt biking with your buddy, even though your body gets tired, your heart never feels the exhaustion, and that's pure joy right there. Let's keep moving forward. Yeah, our destination today is my house. After conquering all these obstacles and challenges, we still have about 20 kilometers left to get home. Since the sun is starting to set, we're picking up the pace and racing toward our destination. Stay with us till the very end. We're having an absolute blast with our dirt bike ride. Let's see what our next challenges are going to be. Evening is approaching with the mist rolling in, and we've only got a little time left before nightfall. We're still quite far from our destination, so we're pushing forward at full speed without stopping. We're riding through deserted paths with no human settlements around. Since our dirt bikes don't have headlights and darkness is setting in, Suresh isn't stopping anywhere. He's just pushing ahead at full speed. Gained so many incredible experiences during today's ride. The feeling you get when you're riding dirt bikes through these deserted trails, it's absolutely indescribable. As you can see, darkness is starting to fall around us, but the thrills and excitement of this ride are still going strong and far from over. The fun and joy of this ride are still overflowing. You can probably see that. In the evening, we're experiencing this beautiful adventure as we splash through water crossings and streams. I'm sure you're also experiencing that same satisfaction through these amazing visuals. Dim twilight phase. We've got about 5 kilometers left to our destination. I think we can make it home before complete nightfall. As you can see, Suresh is riding ahead at high speed. We're slowly getting closer and closer to our destination. Today will definitely be an unforgettable day in my life. This is my biggest YouTube adventure video ever. So I'm lovingly asking all of you to please subscribe and join our channel family. As you can see, we're on a super exciting high-speed ride. But this fast riding is getting a bit risky now because wild animals tend to cross the roads during evening time. So that's where our off-road adventure comes to an end. The two of us made it through all the obstacles safely and got back home without any accidents. Thank you so much for staying with us until the very end. We'll meet again on another adventure ride soon. Don't forget to subscribe and stay connected with the channel.